Welcome back. So we can continue with our profile creation topic. Where we have the structure previously. So here after the getting the HTML structure code from that in AI. So but it is not resolved. Here also that image is catched. So here for why should the image here also collapsed? So before I am explaining what is the issue, I need to explain about this thing. So what is how why should it show menu icon? What is this test? So when we have the image tag element, we have the applying the alternative the text here. What you have the text will be wrote here. So the text will be showing when the that image is not visible or when that image will be the scratched, then it's alert alternatively alert the about that regarding to that image text name. So it will display then easily so on so on. So this text here not uh, visible here. So because there are some issue, then when you open that image collapsing errors. So like that way you can easily identify that image purpose. We should apply using this alt here, alt property. So with this alternative, so here this alertness of the text when the image will be collapsed. So then easily the user can identify so on text is not visible. Like that with that purpose we can utilize it. Okay, this property alt property. So next coming to that our what is it our issue error, why should not here the image not showing. So here going to that where we have getting that image source here. This is the image source where we have placed in that property value. So we are getting the image where results or not. Let's check. So until we didn't get. So let's go for directly what is our image need here in this image source tab menu.png. So where is that in sys folder? I have that menu.file image file. This is. So what is the problem? So what is that? So the copy file, I will copy that copy the file path and I should remove that previous path. So I am pasting which I had selected from this file. So let's check the after the refreshing this file will be came or not. What's happened? The assets menu. Oh, okay, it will work, but it's not showing because of the total. Yes, right. Background is the white, so that's why it's not showing. How we find that about the things? We can find one more. Take the image. So the background image, so that png what will happen. Let's check the background dot png. Is it this will come? Oh yes. So not in code issue. So here the background image is the totally white color is there. So that's why which we after we importing that menu image also have in white color. That's why it's not showing. So that is a fault. So that is the drawback here. So that's it's taking more time. Okay. So coming to the our previous one, what we have previous one menu. Wow. So we will easily copy like this at this spot and paste it here. So I need one more icon. What is that? Here I have the already previous menu over. I need to be setting image icon, that is my setting image icon. So I will change this setting icon. So I will take the class also setting icon. So these things. So and also I should do, what should I do here? So I need to change. So easily copy and paste this path. So without mistaking. So we are easily encountering that errors when we have follow this path. So after that, when I will run again this browser, so what will the results will be getting? Let's wait and see. Here also not showing because of so total background is so it will see. First we should made whatever target. So I taken this menu icon and this setting icon. I need to take the profile. This is the profile image. So what can I take? So let's I go to take that. This profile setting div is enough, and we can take the another image tag for the taking the source code of that profile. And what here, what is where is that profile image? This is the profile image, and where is, so you can easily copy and paste that path, profile path, and you can give the alert. So what alert here? Then this is the profile pic. So the profile image. So we can mention the profile picture where we have. I need to take the class for this. So what can I do? So same again, the profile pic easily. So that is easy thing. So now let's check once again run this browser. Oh yes, I got a profile. Okay, so what can I go for next? This is a heading, some heading. Okay, and this is also paragraph and some icons. Okay, let's go for that. So shall we take another div, or so no need to take another div for that. So we can continue under that image, profile image. What is that heading? Heading not. You can take the H3 tag. H3 heading. So what is that heading showing here? This is the learner profiler. I am pasting here after copying. So next, let's take the paragraph. What is the paragraph here? The front end profiler Amravati. So let's go for that. Results will under that profile image that text will coming or not. Let's check. No need to div tags now. Okay, coming. So next go for that another. So here the social media icons is there. So I need to take for that another div. So I will continue further. So here the div tag. What here? I will give the class for this div. So what is this icons? Social media icons. So this is social media icons. Next I go for So in the social media icons, what is the first one? I image. In that image source, what is that source file is there? First one, what we saw social media, Instagram and Telegram and Replit. Okay, first Instagram image. Where is the image in our folder? So we can copy and paste that path, folder path. What is the here alert? This alert. What can I give that name? This is the shows Instagram alert. No need to class here. If you need, okay, keep it. So you can give the note icon. You can give the logo. Like that is better. Uh, so let's check after the. What is this? Okay. Copy and how many we have the social media logos? 3 is this, and again, so I need to change that remaining logos. What is there? Oh, it is not coming. So again, what is that? Telegram? Copying that path and pasting. Here change that alert. Copy and that easily get why it is. And here when we have changed that to Telegram, so those icons will be the class name is icon taking. Okay, alert is low. Okay, not an issue. So next another one, dribbler. There is a dribbler. Dribble is the path here. There is a source code here. So you can paste there dribble, and here you just copy that name, paste it here. So just you should make a capital letter D, and you also just you should paste it the dribble icon. So those things we are pasted. So next after the refresh that browser, what will showing that icons will be showing or not? Oh, so what happened? Something. Where those? What is wrong? What happened? What happened? So Instagram. What is issue? You can go for div tool. Can you show him? Going to show him. Oh, so is it coming? Oh, okay, it will come because of this image is also in white color. Okay, not an issue. Here merged in that white color. So because of this, that icons also in white. So that's why we can't visible here. Next go, let's go for that. So we should our process apply done, but so I need to apply that background color. So where I will apply in that styles. So where is that my style link I didn't taken. So I will import them. We have any style dot. Oh yes, is there. So external CSS file is there. So I am importing that in this HTML structure doc. So how can I import? So href it is better for the thing, and import the style. So it's really good. Style dot CSS and style sheet. So okay, typical test by CSS. It's a good thing. So I will check is it working or not. So wow, what is this? I am clearing that entire that. So I will apply the body.